salaries, infrastructure, expansions, and for the people, or for some people whom you have given a time period to pay the fees, and you have to fall behind them and to collect the fees. And a part of that, on the other hand, if you see, paying the whole fees upfront becomes a burden to many of the parents. Like so many people, so many parents are having one or two children, so paying the whole fees upfront becomes a burden to many of the parents. So what here FinancePay does is we come in between and bridge this gap, where we pay the institution the fees amount upfront, and we give an EMI option which is up to 12 months to the parents, where they can pay their fees in equated monthly installments. So do you have any kind of a queries till now? Any queries? Yeah. So yeah. So also I have Prashant Ranjan, who is the business head for the entire FinancePay Pan India. So Prashant sir, here is the team, and this is Deepak sir. Hello.
Yeah, yeah. Thanks for the introduction, Kumar. Hi, Deepak sir. Yeah, yeah. Kumar, you can continue. We can discuss later on.
Yeah. So sir, about of this, now I want to like explain you about the product. We have multiple products which we are dealing with. So in that, there is one product where we call it where we call it as a discount model. So what we do, we generally recommend 0% fee financing on the parent, where the parent doesn't have to pay anything extra other than the fee. Since FinancePay do not charge any processing fees and there are no hidden charges collected from the parent side. So what actually we do is, here we ask for an institution a certain amount of a discount. So allow me to share my screen. So I will explain you with an demo sample example. Okay. So sir, is my screen visible?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah. So let us assume that 1 lakh rupees is the fees amount of your institution of your course, and parent has opted for a 9 months of EMI. So let us assume that the rate of interest will be around 10%. So what I will do, I will deduct this 10% from 1 lakh rupees, which will cost 10,000 rupees. Just a second. Yeah, so I will deduct this 10%, which is 10,000, and I will pay you the 90,000 upfront when I receive the first EMI from the parent. Yeah, so I will be deducting the discount, and now I will collect 1 lakh rupees from the parent side. So here it will be a 0% zero cost EMI to the parents, and there is no processing fees. So parent has to pay only the fees amount. He doesn't have to pay anything extra. Yeah, other than that, even if you know, even you have might noticed, many of the schools suffer for the losses of around 15 to 20% annually because of this because of this fees collection. You have given the fee, you have given a time period for the students or the parents to pay the fees, but still at the end of the year they fail to pay the fees. So even the school will face the losses of up to 15 to 20% annually, as an average, as we calculated. So apart of that, this was the first product where we collect the discount from the parent institution, and it is a 0% on parent side. Apart of that, we have one more product that what we can do, we can pass on the same interest to the parents, and I will pay you the 1 lakh rupees upfront. So here the 10%, the interest what is been there for the 9 months will be collected from the parents itself. So now I will pay you 1 lakh rupees upfront. Hello. Yeah. So I will pay you 1 lakh rupees upfront when I receive the first EMI, and the interest will be charged on the parents. And the 10 months interest will be divided through the tenure. So the 10,000 will be divided among 9 months, and the parent has to pay. Apart of that, also what we can do, we can split this interest or the discount between the parent and institution, where 5% of the discount institution can give me, and 5% we can charge it onto the parents, which will be a pocket friendly deal for everyone. So giving a 5% discount is not a big deal for the institution, and passing on to 5% interest to the parents is also not kind of a burden for them. Yeah. A part of that, this was one model. These were the models we are working with. The first one was the discount and the interest, and the third one was the hybrid model. So, any of the queries, sir, till now? Okay. I didn't get you, sir. Actually, what insurance you're talking about? Yeah, yeah. We provide a complimentary insurance also to the to the students who are availing this facility, which is up to 5 years. Yeah. Prashant, sir. Hello.
Deepak sir, so we are not charging anything for that, and it's just a complimentary on and above the entire product. So there will be no charge, neither a hidden charge nor a processing fees on that insurance, and that's by default for everyone. Whoever opts for a fee financing via finance peer.
Yes, sir. So this was all about the product, how actually we work, and so do you have any kind of a query in the product so we can further? Okay. No, for how actually finance peer provide this insurance is as for an example, the insurance scheme is for 5 years. For an in case for an accidental death or the permanent disability, so finance peer will take care of the child's education for rest of the 5 years. Still, he's studying in your premises. Till he wants to the 5 years, if he's studying in your premises, we will pay the entire amount. Mhm. Okay. Ha ha.
Yes, yes, we can add laptops, transportation, hostel fees, all those things that needs to be credited into the institute's account. All those things can be added, sir. Okay, so the only factor on which the interest depends is what is the tenure that has to be offered to the parent fraternity, as in will it be 6 months or 9 months or a 12 months, depending on the tenure, the interest varies. Also, how do you want to take the entire fees, whether you want the entire 12 months fees at one sort from finance fair or whether you want at two sorts. So all those proposal and the best rates, I think Kumar will forward you over the mail. Other than that, we also help institute on the marketing front, and there would be a dedicated customer support team who would be catering to all the applications, and the entire application procedure is online, so there is hardly any interaction or a collection of physical documents are required. And also on the marketing front, we have Vivek Oberoi as one of the investors, and our Rohit Sarma, the vice captain of the Indian cricket team. He is our brand ambassador. So also we can help in the marketing front. Also we can go with the web integration, so web integration and the Facebook marketing and all those things, my customer support team would help you on that front, along with the applications uploading and parent queries. And there will also be a training session organized for all your uh, uh, accounts team or the counselors. All those things would be done from our side. Yeah. So I think that's all from our side, sir. We will send you a proposal along with a formal MOU, yeah, draft MOU. You can go through it, and then we can take it ahead. Any more queries, sir? Yeah, yeah, sir. Please go ahead. Yeah, Kumar Soni would be there till the MOU signing, and then we have a dedicated customer support team. So one of the Spock will be there, through which you will be directly in day out, and for all your queries, either you or your parent can reach out to him or her directly. Correct, sir. Along with the proposal, as in whether you want 6 months, 9 months, and 12 months. Also, whether you want to take the hit or whether you want to pass the hit to the parent fraternity. So that decision also needs to be taken by your side. Yeah. Correct. But before that, the proposal also needs to be as in decided what is the tenure that has to be offered and what is the discount that has to be borne. So once that is finalized from your end, we can have an MOU and we can go ahead. Yeah. So in case of any product clarifications, sir, Kumar will. Yeah. Any head of the departments or the promoters, the director can go ahead and can sign the MOU. Sure, sir. In the meantime, sir, you can also go through the MOU, draft MOU. If there is any change that is required, if there is any. Uh-huh. Hmm. Sure, sir. We'll do that. Any more queries, sir, from you, your team, anything? Mhm. Sure, sir. Yeah, sure. We are also on the same line, sir. Looking forward to it. And the moment MOU is done, and also MOU is also digitally signed, we will send across an email which has a link. The moment you click on the link, there will be an OTP received on the mobile number. You enter the OTP and the MOU gets signed, and post that we can start interacting with the parent fraternity. Okay, sir. Kumar will be in touch with you in case of any clarification queries. You can reach out to Kumar or either me. No problem. Okay, sir. Yeah.
Thank you, sir. Any more queries, sir? I'll just, yeah, yeah. I'll just share you the mail. Just go through it. If any kind of a doubts, you can just call me. I'll be available. So we can discuss it out and we can take it ahead. Yes, sir. Chalo. Thank you, sir. Take care. Take care, sir. Take care,
Thank
everyone.
you, thank you, sir.
Thank you, everyone.